Lord Shiva is the first master, is the first guru, is the first yogi in this world. He presented dharana. Dharana means concentration as the best way to discover yourself, to experience your true self. And out of your experience, you know, concentration or focus is the best aspect for your growth and success. So let's practice some dharana right now. Arrange yourself, be stable, erect your spine, don't blink your eyes, either close it or half open it. Give attention to your breath, your natural and normal breath. Stay with your breathing. Don't miss even a single breath. Now observe your both nostrils. One of your nostril should be very clear and another one half clear. Observe them. Which one is clear and which one is half clear? Know this fact. Stay with your knowingness. Stay with your breathing. Give your whole attention to this process. Do not try to do anything. Just stay with your breathing and know which nostril is clear right now. Knowing is enough. It gives you everything, whatever you want. Now, relax. Relax. Relax yourself. Have a great time ahead.